What's up, guys? We are back out here in the garage, aka the paint booth. We are going to be spraying the tailgate, the cowl, the valance, and the bed today, and the fuel door. So everything's prepped, ready to go. I just need to wipe it down and then degrease it. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then I'm going to quickly tape off underneath the bed and tape off the handle of the tailgate, and then we will be ready to go. This should go pretty quick, I'm hoping, especially after what I found out from shooting the cab. I'm thinking the bed's going to turn out way nicer. Like I said, I'll do a video after all this is done talking about what I learned, what I would do different, but I would definitely have done stuff different on the cab. I feel like the bed's going to turn out really nice though. So anyways, let's get going. Okay, the base coat is down. I put down 3 coats. So, man, the bed and the tailgate are turning out super nice, except for a little dent that I didn't see, but oh well. Yeah, the bodywork on the bed is 10 times what the cab turned out to be. Not that the cab turned out bad, but the bed is just straight as an arrow. Got everything out of it. So, letting it flash, then we're going to put a couple coats of clear on it, and she will be done. I'm loving the color though. It almost looks brownish gold in here, but it's really silver. Let's go out and see the cab while we're letting that flash. So it's dirty because it's been sitting out here, but just turned out awesome. I am super pleased. Very, very nice. So we're gonna give this another 20 minutes or so to flash, and then we're gonna do 2, maybe 3 coats of clear. I did 2 on the cab and that seemed to be plenty, so we'll do that. We'll tack it off before we clear, and then should be good to go. This is really exciting, so hang on for the ride. We're almost done painting. Also, while we're waiting, I was gonna tell you guys about we're going to put the truck back together little bit by little bit and do a couple things as we put it back together. But I'm going to actually have a final reveal video professionally produced and edited. So that should be coming out near the end of June. So be prepared for that. I'll show you guys as I put it together, but we're not going to do like a big reveal of it until the end of the month. So stay tuned for that video. It should be pretty dang sweet. So. Alright guys, the clear coat is down. So it's kind of dark in here, but I'm going to let it dry a little bit in here and then we'll pull it out into the driveway. But man, it looks sweet. So nice. I'll show you one casualty. Don't worry, it's not that big a deal, but can't wait to see this out in the sunlight. So I had the fuel door up on this can painting it, and I wanted to spin it around so I could get the back edge, and it fell down. So I'm going to let it dry and then wet sand it really good and then clear it again. Hopefully I don't have to spray it with base again. I don't think I will, but anyways. Oh well, not a big deal, like I said. There she is. Whew, this is gonna be sweet, guys. I can't wait to put it back together. So I'm gonna tear down the paint booth, open the garage doors up, get some air flowing out of here. All right guys, I've got it pulled out. The garage is emptier than it's looked in weeks. Now I got a big cleanup to do of all that, but let's not focus on that. Here's the cowl and the lance. And there is the tailgate. Tailgate is perfect except for that dent that I didn't even see, but oh well. So there it is. So it's time to start assembling it. We've got the new exhaust we got to put on probably before we put the bed on. Get everything buttoned back up and get it driving. I'm super excited to drive it. I haven't really driven it for, I don't know, over a month it feels like. But anyways, thanks for tuning in today. Comment below if you guys like the color. Comment below if you think it turned out good. I think there's always things we can pick apart about it that maybe weren't perfect. But I'm trying not to be critical of myself. I'm trying to accept that this was a learning experience and that it turned out actually better than I thought it would. So let's see some comments below what you guys think, and we will see you guys in the next video.